Hey guys, so I am coming to you today with a quick video. I had ordered some stickers from this beautiful company here, and I can't even say it, but it's LCA. Um, and she has some really cute doll stickers and stuff. When I first heard about her, was through Planning and Praying, or Praying and Planning. If you follow Lisa Mack, yes, as I do, I love her videos. She is so funny, and she just has me cracking up laughing every single time I watch her video, and she's just so lively and vibrant, like I am. So I had ordered some stickers that were on sale. And when you get your package, you will get, the paper, the receipt that shows you what you ordered. And since that has sensitive information, I will not show you the whole thing. But it came in this package, and when the mail thing came today, it was like, oh, your package was delivered, and I was like, oh no, it wasn't. And then I read it, and it said it was delivered in or at the mailbox, and I was like, oh, okay. And so I ran to the mailbox, and when you get it, it comes, of course, sealed, and so you just pull this tab off. She puts a thank you sticker in the back, which is so cool. And then it comes in this little package here, and then it says thank you. And so I had already opened this earlier just to take out the receipt. And sorry for the glare. I wanted to brighten it up so at least it can get the true color. But it comes sealed, and I am so excited about these stickers here. Let me see if I can remove it from the pack. All right, you did a great job. And so, I'm going to show you the planner stickers that I got. I loved these colors here, and so I thought that it would just be fitting for my planner. I'm trying to get more organized and use my planner as much as possible. And so I saw these and they were on sale, and I was like, yes, I had to get them. And so I love these girly icons here. Super cute. It says payday, laundry pack, day off, shopping, dinner plans. What is that? Delivery, stay in, work out. What is that? Concert? Okay. Cozy writing, pay bills, plans and organize, and buy gifts. Oh my gosh, I need to focus. Buy gifts. There. Okay, and here are the stickers close up. Sorry. Okay. Those are so nice. Oh my gosh, here is the other icon stickers here. I'm not going to read them, but I'll show you them. Look at that. Y'all, these stickers are absolutely cute. And I heard that she draws this stuff. So, man, this is cool. This is cool. Oh, and then, look, so these girl stickers are everything. Oh my gosh, look. I just had to get this when I seen it. Oh my gosh. Look how cute this is. And I was like, yes. Come through with these cute stickers, okay? Wish it, dream it, do it. Miss Independent, too. Yes. I would have gotten the other dark one, but she was a little bit too dark. And I was just like, okay, well, I'll just get her. But hey, this is cute. And then this one here, oh, this Hobonichi one. This is super, super cute. I was like, I couldn't pass this up when I seen it. I love the light colors on there. I thought it was so cute. And I have a planner. I have a planner, but there is a B6. If you haven't seen my video with the unboxing with Simply Gilded, I have the small B6, and I am using the B6. Once it's full up, then of course I'm going to go on to like my planner, but hopefully I get to use it in the B6 since this is, you know, since these are small. I have a Hobonichi, but I would have to like set that up and put it in a TN or something. So yeah, but I got 2 of these because they're absolutely beautiful. And this one looks a little bit lighter than this one, as you can see. Yeah, you can see the difference. This one is lighter than this one, but it's fine because guess what? They're absolutely beautiful. And when I seen it, I was like, had to have it. So yeah. So thanks for watching. Let me show you the name of her shop. It is up here. Okay, shoplca.com. And she has absolutely beautiful, beautiful stickers. You can follow her on Instagram at shoplca. And I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, sorry for the focus. Give it a thumbs up. And let me get everything in here. So we got these, and we have this one, and then we have these. So give it a thumbs up, comment, you can share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so when I upload a video, you guys will be in a loop on what's going on. You guys stay safe, keep praying, and I will see you in the next video. God bless you.